In a cozy forest, Little Mouse couldn't sleep all winter. Why? Because his neighbor, Big Bear, snored so loud it sounded like thunder. After many sleepless nights, Mouse tiptoed to Bear's cave. "Wake up, Bear!" he squeaked. But Bear just snored louder. Desperate, Mouse went to the king of the forest, Lion. "Please help me," Mouse cried. Lion smiled and had an idea. With a gentle roar, Lion woke Bear. "Oops! Sorry, little friend. I didn't know I was keeping you awake." Bear promised to snore quietly next time, and from then on, they all lived and slept peacefully. Moral: even the smallest voice can make a big change when you ask for help. For more fun adventures, subscribe to Storyland Adventure.